morning students. Welcome to chemistry online classes. Our third chapter, sorting material into groups, is over. In this chapter, we have learned how to sorting or grouping object around us. We grouped these objects based on some criteria. First one, from which material these objects are made. Second, appearance. Is it lustrous or not? And then hardness or softness. Soluble, insoluble. Floating and sinking. The last one based on transparency. Based on transparency, there is three classification: whether they are transparent, translucent and opaque. So, today we can discuss exercise question answers. So, all of you may please take your textbook, notebook, pencil and pen. You can mark one-word answers in your textbook. Copy the long answers into notebook. Are you ready? Let's start.
All of you please turn to page number 33. Exercise question number 1. Name 5 objects which can be made from wood. Five objects that can be made from wood are table, chair, cupboard, door, bullock cart. You can write any other object that can be made from wood. Question number 2. Select those objects from the following which shine. Glass bowl, plastic toy, steel spoon, cotton shirt. We have learned object can be grouped based on lustrous, that means shiny appearance. Some objects are dull, other objects are shiny in nature. From this object, shiny objects are glass bowl and steel spoon. Question number 3. Match the objects given below with the material from which they could be made. Remember, an object could be made from more than one material, and a given material could be used for making many objects. Here, the objects: book, tumbler, chair, toy, shoes, and the material: glass, wood, paper, leather, plastic. So now we can match these items. Object book is made up of paper, tumbler is made up of glass, plastic, chair can be made up of wood, plastic, toy, wood, paper, plastic, shoe, leather. Fourth question. State whether the statements given below are true or false. Stone is transparent while the glass is opaque. Transparent means through this object we can clearly see things. That means they can pass the light. Opaque, they cannot be past the light. This statement is false. Stone is transparent while glass is opaque. Second statement, a notebook has luster while an eraser does not. We know that notebook and eraser are not lustrous. So this statement is false. Third statement, chalk dissolve in water. It's a false statement. Chalk doesn't dissolve in water. It is insoluble in water. Fourth, a piece of wood float on water. It's a true statement. Wood is float in water. Fifth statement, sugar does not dissolve in water. It's a false statement. Sugar definitely dissolve in water. Sixth one, oil mixed with water. Again false statement. Oil doesn't mix with water. It forms separate layer. Seventh one, sand settle down in water. It's true. Sand settle down in water. Eighth one, vinegar dissolve in water. It's true. Vinegar dissolve in water. When we add vinegar to water, it doesn't form separate layer. It will be dissolved in water. Exercise question 5. Given below are the names of some objects and material. Water, basketball, orange, sugar, globe, apple, and earthen pitcher. Group them as round shaped and other shaped. Second classification, eatable and non-eatable. Among these round shaped materials are basketball, orange, globe, apple, earthen pitcher. Other shapes, water and sugar. Next classification, eatables and non-eatables. Eatables, water, orange, sugar, apple. Non-eatable, basketball, globe, earthen pitcher. Exercise question number 6. List all items known to you that float on water. Check and see if they will float on oil or kerosene. Some items that float on water are listed below. Plastic bottle, piece of paper, piece of sponge, piece of thermocol, wood, bamboo, plastic bowl, cork. However, none of these items float on oil or kerosene. These objects are float on water but it sink in oil or kerosene. Exercise question number 7. Find the odd one out from the following. First one, chair, bed, table, baby, cupboard. The odd one is baby. Second one, rose, jasmine, boat, marigold, lotus. Here odd one, boat. Third, aluminium, iron, copper, silver, sand. Sand is the odd one, all other items are metals. Fourth one, sugar, salt, sand, copper sulfate. Here sand is odd one because it doesn't dissolve in water. All other items are dissolved in water.
Hope all you have understood the question answers very well. I have attached exercise solutions and test paper. All you have to attend the test paper also attached a URL. Please watch it. Till then, take care. Thank you.